Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into s to the power of a to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s to the power of a. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have as to the power of 7 ds. Because we don't have number 8 in here, so we divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 7 ds we change by this one. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4 tan t, because if I put this one going here, we have 16 tan t square, 16. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. So du we have 4 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. Du we change by this one. So we have 16 tan t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. This one we have secant of t square. The square root of 16 secant of t, we have 4 secant of t. Later that we simplify. The integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And we got about t equals to arctan of u over 4. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with arctan we have u over 4. About u, that is about s to the power of 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.